Ecwid clothing store tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a clothing store using Ecwid. The first thing you will need to do if you don't have an Ecwid account as yet, you can create one quite easily. All you need is to go onto ecwid.com, tap on get started for free and you can sign up. With Ecwid, you can start selling right away. And the platform that I'm going to be showing you to use to create your clothing store will allow you to start selling right away also. So all you need to do is simply add your design and that's it. So once you're signed up to Ecwid, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to scroll down and you're going to hover over apps and select app market. After selecting App Market, you're going to select Dropshipping from the left-hand menu option. Once you have done that, there are a lot of dropshipping or better yet print-on-demand apps that you can use. And by print-on-demand, I simply mean that all you need to do is simply upload your design, choose the item you like to add your design on, or items better yet, and then from there, that platform will deal with the shipping, customizing of the product, and the customer care and everything like that. So all you'll need to do is come up with a catchy design and then from there drive traffic and collect your money. So let's say for example you wanted to use Printful, and Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand platforms. You're going to tap on install app. After you have installed the app, you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do now, you can design your first product. So we could tap on products. So let's do that real quick. After selecting products, I'm just going to tap on add product. After tapping on add product, from here you can select what type of product you'd like to add your design on. Let's say for example, we would like to add our design on this teddy bear. So we're going to select teddy bear. After selecting teddy bear, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top left hand corner and select uploads, and from there you could upload your design. If you don't have a design as yet, you can open a new tab and go onto canva.com, and canva.com is one of the most popular design or graphic designs platform, as you'll be able to use it for completely free. Once on Canva, what you could do, you could type in, for example, if you were creating a t-shirt, as I'm creating a t-shirt for the teddy bear, I can type in t-shirt and you can see different t-shirt designs that you can use. In fact, you have over 14,000 different templates that you will get access to. So you can scroll down and whichever one of these templates you like to use, you can select it. Keep in mind any one of the templates that says pro or has a $sign, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free, as you can see right here. Let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this template. I'll select the template and you can also see similar templates that I could use. So let's say this one, then I'll tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you could edit the text if you want. You could also change the graphic. I'm going to leave it as is. And I'm going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, we'll go back into Ecwid and we're going to go back right here. And we're going to tap on upload new file. And we're going to select the design, then tap on open. After you have done that, your design will be uploaded, so you can see it is being uploaded right there. Once it has been uploaded, you are going to simply hover over it and tap on apply. After selecting apply, you can see your design here. So let me close this and you can adjust it. So you can see your design right here. You could adjust the size or you can leave it as is. Once everything is to your liking, all you need to do now, you can tap on mock-ups and you could see how it will look on a mock-up. So you can see how it will look right there. If everything is to your liking, you can continue. So what we'll do, we'll scroll down, then you're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here what I normally do is select choose mockups. So from here you can select the mockups that you like to use. So I'll be using this one since it is Christmas. So this will be our main mockup image. You can select different images if you would like to use something else as your main mockup image. I'm going to be using that one. After doing that, you can scroll down, and from there you're going to see additional settings that you can also set up. So you can add a shipping markup if you want, or you can add a minimum order subtotal. But I'll just tap on continue right here. After selecting continue, from there you will be able to edit the product title, and you can also edit the product description. After doing that, you'll tap on continue once more, and this is where you'll be able to set the price that you would like to sell it for. So you can set your retail price right here. So let's say for example I'll be selling it for $50. So I'll select 50. So you can see the estimated earning that I'll be able to receive is $24.50, and we're going to tap on submit to store. After selecting submit to store, you'll give it a few seconds while the product is being added to your store. Once it has been added, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could select website. Then you can tap on edit site, and you can edit your website appearance. So you'll be redirected to the editor page, and you'll see all of the control options on the left hand column. So you can edit the header by selecting header and menu. You can also edit the cover, and you can also edit your store. So you could tap on store, and you can see our product right there. So this is our product. You can edit it if you want. Once you're finished, you'll go back by tapping on settings, and we'll tap on go to dashboard. And once on the dashboard, the next thing you'll need to do is set up how you'll get paid. So you're going to scroll down and select payment, and depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. But you'll see PayPal more than likely, so you can connect PayPal. You can also tap on choose payment method, and you can select another payment method. And that's it. Once you're finished, you'll tap on website. Then from there, you're just going to tap on edit site, and you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.